Hey everybody, welcome. Here we are today. I'm working on the top here for the Commando. Seems like this is all rusted up. I gotta fix this, put a piece of new metal in here. Right now I'm sanding it down. What this does is hooks to the front of the windshield and bolts in on the top of the windshield channel. But apparently a lot of water got in here because you can see the rust. I'm probably going to cut this out, or I might just go over it like this and then spot weld this in. That'll give me some more beef on here. So I gotta get another piece of metal. Yeah, I'm sanding this all down. This is going to get a headliner to put in it. I had to do some patching. But anyway, getting it all done here. All right.